Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I've got a cool car for you today. She's a Boss 302, numbers matching, real grabber green car, black interior, numbers matching motor. I think I already said that. I'm kind of excited. You just don't find that many of these cars. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to get it up on the lift so you can see she's got all of her original metal. We're going to get the hood up and take a look at that beautiful motor. We're going to look at the black interior. We'll get in the trunk. We will show you everything you need to see so you can make a really good decision on your Boss investment. So come on up and let's fire it up. All right, let's take a close look at this baby. Now, she's had one repaint over the years. The bumper looks like it's original to the car. It's an awesome shape. The grille looks fantastic. The blackout on the hood looks great. The margins on the hood are phenomenal, nice and straight. The hood matches up nice and flush with the front fender, and it is smooth as can be. Take a look how that baby, the door lines up there also. Rocker looks great. Paint on the mirror looks awesome. Good looking door handles. Great looking door jambs here. You can see the original door tags in there too. Looks like they put some new rubber on the door. Now on the wheels and tires, we chose Magnums. We actually have the original hubcaps and the original Boss wheels, the zero offset wheels. The blackout looks good here. Man, that's slick. Tail light lenses look good. Oh, there's those hubcaps right there. A couple other extra parts in the trunk. It's got the space saver spare. Tail light buckets look good. The back bumper looks just like the front. It looks original to the car. It's an awesome shape for being from 1970. And look down the side of it. Look how nice and straight the car still is. All the wheel lips are nice and solid. Door jamb here looks great. All the chrome's in good shape. It all looks like it's 1970, but it's in beautiful shape. Looks like the antenna's original to the car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. That means we buy and we own all of our cars. And we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now let's check out the interior in this beautiful car. So the door panels also look original to the car, and they also look like they're brand spanking new. Carpeting looks great. Steering wheel looks great. The lenses and the gauges look good. The dash pad itself's in awesome shape. And there's that Hurst shifter that everybody's looking for in these Boss Mustangs. Beautiful upholstery on the seats. They also look original to the car. Back seat looks good. All the door panels and everything in the back look good. All the trim around the back window looks great. Still has the shoulder belts. Headliners looking beautiful. Dome lights are working. This thing's beautiful inside. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's take the Boss Mustang for a ride. Man, numbers matching, grabber green, all stripped down, no louvers, no tail fin. I love it. Look, it's going straight. The brakes feel good. Horns working. Now look down here on the dash. Gauges look great. They've been restored, it looks like. Speedo's working, tach's working, temp, fuel gauge. The heaters work, or the heater, at least the blower's working. The brakes feel good. And I tell you, that numbers matching 302's working, and this top loader trans is working. Watch this. This guy's gonna back out in front of me. I love driving this thing. Man, I tell you what, when I was in high school, I had a 67 Cougar. I'd have died to have this car, man. This thing is so cool. It's got such an awesome look with that grabber green paint. And that top loader's working great. And grab this corner right here. These things were built to race, guys. Let's drive it like we're racing. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this thing anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tommy would love to tell you all about this boss. And don't forget, if you're in Detroit on business, we're only 20 minutes from the Detroit International Airport. So make sure you give us a call. Come on down and visit. We're at the shop on Saturdays. Heck, if you want us down here on Sundays, we'll come down, guys. You got to check out our facility. We've got over 170 cars for sale. You know, life's short. Get you something fun to play with. I meet a lot of people that say they've been planning on coming to our shop for 2 years. Do you still have this car? Heck no, man. We sell these cars. They go quick. You got to get down to the shop, get you one. Now we're coming up on the shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now you got to stick around because we're going to do something most people don't do. We're going to put this baby up on the lift and we're going to check out the bottom side. We're going to show you how beautiful it is. We're underneath the 70 Boss Mustang now, and she's nice under here also. Got a fairly new tank, fairly new exhaust system. Drop downs original to the car, quarters original to the car. Frame looks great. Rear end housing has a casting date of September of '69. She's got newer shocks. The guys pulled the brakes apart, made sure they're in good working order. They checked the wheel cylinders, checked the installation of everything. It looks great. Again, the exhaust system looks newer. It's probably been on there for a few years during the restoration of the car, which I think the restoration of this car was basically a paint job because everything looks original. Spring pockets look good. Pinch welds look great. Bottom sides of the rockers look original. The floorboards are definitely original. It's got the original sound deadening on them. Frame looks original and it looks great. Normally they're all bent up and everything from guys putting them on floor jacks. Torque boxes also look original. Numbers matching trans, it's also dated September of '69, and the numbers are on the top of the trans to match the VIN. Steering gear has been all rebuilt. It all looks great and correct. Lower control arms have been replaced. Upper ball joints have been replaced. It looks like the calipers have been replaced with the correct ones. The rotors are also nice and clean. They look brand spanking new. Sway bar bushings look good. Radius arm bushings look good. The front frame up here is nice and straight. Again, that's another thing that usually gets all bent up on these cars. Core support looks good. Front frame horns are nice and straight. This is a beautiful Boss Mustang and numbers matching 302. You just don't find those. Let's check these wheels and tires. So she's got Magnums and Firestone wide ovals. The Magnums are brand new. We actually have the steel wheels, the hubcaps and the center caps, the original zero offset steel wheels. If you're interested, talk to Tom about those. I like the Magnums much better. Now the front fenders, you get up there and feel around, those are definitely original and definitely smooth on the backside also. And like I said, that pinch weld is beautiful. Let's look at the rear. Out back, same good looking wide ovals, same brand new Magnums. And again, the wheel lips up here, that quarter lip there where it goes to the inner wheelhouse. Beautiful. Let's lower it down and take a look at the numbers matching 302 under the hood. All right, under the hood here, she looks great. She's got the smog control stuff. She's got the stock original radiator. It's got all the stock hoses, or the stock appearing at least hoses. The correct clamps, the correct distributor. It is dual point. The correct coil, the correct oil pressure sending unit. It's got the correct carburetor on it, the correct intake on it. It's got the motor tag on it also. She's got the extra bracing here that the boss has had. Rev limiters here, the little gutters are here. Man, this thing looks great. The heat shield and the snorkel are here. Now, we are missing the little apparatus that goes in this hole, the little motor that goes in there. It's being rebuilt. It'll be in there when we park this Dream in your driveway. Looks like the hood hinges have also been rebuilt. You can see all the fasteners are new. All the markings are underneath here. This is a fabulous car. Someone took very good care of this little boss. I've been told by the Mustang guys that only about 40% of the original Boss motors retain in the cars because they had so many problems with them. Guys were unhooking the rev limiter, missing second gear, and blowing these things to heaven. So very, very rare to have a complete car, numbers matching motor, trans, and rear end. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream car in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.